Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I love incorporating natural products in my day-to-day life, but only if they work. And I can honestly say that this natural deodorant from Humble does work. I love the fact that the ingredients are actually words I can pronounce that I'm familiar with. There's coconut oil, there's beeswax, there's cornstarch. So there's no harmful parabens, dyes, chemicals. They are really thoughtful with the way they use the fragrance as well, because they do use essential oils to give their products a smell, but it's not overpowering. It's a really nice, gentle, kind of subtle smell. This one's Moroccan rose. It's one of my personal favorites because you smell like you're in a rose garden, but it's not too overwhelming. It's a really nice, subtle scent, and no one around me makes any comments about how it's too strong. And like I said, this deodorant actually works. So I only apply my deodorant once a day. I never carry one with me. So I'm really thrilled that I can apply this first thing in the morning. It's gonna last all day. It doesn't transfer into my skin. And because it has the coconut oil, it definitely melts into your skin as it warms up, and it absorbs right into your skin right away without leaving any residue. So I'm really impressed with this natural deodorant. There's no aluminum, so if you want to try to incorporate a natural deodorant in your life, I would highly recommend this from Humble, but that's just my point of view.